Today I'm just talking about why I switched from the Austin Racing GP2R end can, the carbon that I had, that the bike came with. That end can, the GP2R, was their loudest end can per Rich Austin at Austin Racing, and that's a 110 millimeter can, and it's a very short can. This is their longer V3 titanium can. Note that with the titanium you can actually use a baffle, and because carbon doesn't do well with a baffle, I wanted the titanium so I could use the baffle and give myself an option of having the quieter pipe with the baffle in as it is right now, or removing the baffle and getting a little bit more volume out of it. However, I really like it with the baffle. As you can see, it looks really good. Let's get a nice close-up. The titanium is excellent. You can clean it with Windex. Apparently Windex is good for titanium. TI is the elemental name for it. And Austin Racing, cool logo. They've got Italian colors on there, and it's an English company though, so it can be confusing. At first I thought it was Austin Racing, like Austin, Texas, and then I saw the Italian flag and I was all confused. English bike. Nope, it's an English company. The exhaust itself is a GP3 size, so the V3 goes nicely on that. And here are the Austin Racing tension springs right there, which you can remove with the spring puller. Let's go ahead and do a startup. So this is just regular idle. The can at idle. Got a nice throaty rumble to it. Hopefully that'll come through your gauge So it's got a really nice bark to it. So here we are with the Austin Racing V3 titanium exhaust with no baffle. I just removed it.